looking after 2 kids, and the husband and the dog and working and then doing your own stuff, I don't think so I'll be able to even go to uni to attend my lectures. No way. No, that's the reality. I don't know if people are doing, then they are amazing, I studied nursing, Bachelor of Nursing, but I didn't did any studies or anything for last 10 years. I didn't even know I'm going to start any course or I'm going to do any future studies. This is the time for kids to study, not you. But for me, I always wanted that career development. I have an experience of 8 years in the residential aged care facility setting. I wanted that team lead role, but it did not count, the experience. They wanted more qualification. And that's why it triggered me to go into Open Universities Australia. I just thought let's just study and see what comes up. Open University Australia gave me a really good course with a flexibility, and they helped me in enrolling into the course. It's really good. I would recommend. Send an email. They'll respond straight away. Yeah. I just want to keep growing in my professional life. It will be helpful in near future if it's not today or tomorrow. You know what I mean? Anyway, it's exciting for me because I started something,